Get the fuck out of here. What up guys, welcome back to the Ikigai driven channel. Yeah, so today we're going to be installing a new exhaust on my 350Z. I'm very excited. Here it is, all brand new, looking very nice and shiny. Let's check these out. We're just gonna go straight down, nothing too crazy. I mean, it is a local area, so we want to try to respect the neighbors here. roll down the window so you guys can hear it better.
This is respect.
Respect. Damn. Alright, so wait until you guys see me doing a little more crazy stuff. The exhaust sounds fucking amazing. Oh my god. Definitely a lot quieter than the Z1 exhaust, which is what I was going for. I had this exhaust on my G35 before and I love it, so I'm kind of happy to have it back. It's a little raspy because of the test pipe, but I'm thinking about switching it out to maybe like a resonated test pipe like Berks, or maybe even get the Motordyne arc pipes. But yeah, so far, loving it.
Get the fuck out of here.
Wow. As you're cruising, it's not too loud, but when you step on it, damn, that thing it's amazing. I love it. If only you guys could hear it in person.
Was so fucking loud. Holy shit. Dude drove to my neighborhood so he can rev his exhaust.
I didn't want to do it in my area, so I drove all the way to Gary's place and be like, alright, let's just rip it through the streets here. We did drive like a few blocks out of his house, so they don't know who we are, hopefully.
They don't know who he is.
Exhaust sounds really good.
A lot louder than I expected.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching till the end of this video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.